Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Girl, where my presents at?
I ain't got no presents.
You ain't buy me no presents?
You got a mama, what you want, grandma?
What you mean I got a mama? You my grandma.
Well,
I need some presents.
I ain't had no presents.
Get out.
Yeah. Merry Christmas.
I need some money or something, girl. You gotta make something happen.
Money too.
I need some money.
Sean said they put 7.
What's this?
Merry Christmas.
Thanks, Ma. What's this? Give me a hug.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Got that chicken rice and got that rib. My mama gave me this for Christmas. Let's open it up. See what's in there. $20. It's the thought that counts. Let me see what it say. Christmas is a season of joy, and you're one of the reasons so thankful for you at the holidays. To Brandon from Mom, Merry Christmas. That was so nice. Oh my God. What this say? Place money or a gift card here. I got $20, bitch.